Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Honda Snowblower enthusiast, and now small engine repair added on to that. Sometimes it pays to get parts machines in the off season, and I'll show you why. Here's a 55. I've got two 55s right here. I got this one in a trade. It had a good engine, an excellent engine. Didn't take much to get this running after 3 or 4 years in the wilds. Got it running and everything. And the machine itself is not too bad of a shape, but the transmission is locked up. I can't get it to shift or anything. It's not a bad machine. It's just that right now I don't want to spend the time trying to figure out why it won't shift. But here's a machine, here's another 55 right here. It's in gorgeous condition. I mean, look at this bucket. This machine is 40 something years old, 41, 42 years old. Look at the bottom of the bucket. It's showroom. And the rest of the machine, I don't know too much of the history of it, but when I was going through it, it has very evidence of low hours on it. It's in really nice condition. It shifts perfectly. But the problem with this machine, it had a blown engine. So what do I think I do here? I took the engine off of this one right here, which only took me about, I don't know, about 10 minutes. All it is 4 nuts on the studs on the engine bed. You got 4 nuts. You release the shooter control, and you release your ignition wires. That's all you have to do. And pull off the belts, and then lift it right out. So the opposite, what I'm going to do with this machine, since it had the blown engine, I'm not sure if it drives. It looks in beautiful condition. It shifts look how clean this is. I haven't washed it or nothing. The friction disc looks practically unused. It's a very, very clean condition. The belts are in excellent condition. The whole machine is, for 40 years old, it must have spent its life in Reno, which very little snow over there. And what the owner did was he got it from another person, and then he didn't check the oil before he started it. So when he started the engine, this is the good engine, but it's the same engine for the 55. He started with no oil, and it ran for a few seconds and then locked up, and I wasn't able to unseize it. It had metal filings in the oil, so the engine needs rebuilding. So I'm going to stick this engine on, which will take me about 20 minutes or so. I'll put the engine on this one, reconnect the belts and everything, and start it up and give the transmission a try. So watch for the update, folks. This is what I'm trying to say. Sometimes you can take 2 or 3 very cheap machines, any kind of Honda. In the off season, you can get them for very cheap. You can get them at the dump. You can get them from people that are moving. Sometimes you get them for free or in trades like I did. And you can make a really, really nice machine out of 2 or 3 machines. I've done this many, many times with 828s and 928s, 1132s, and now I'm doing it with this 55. So thanks for watching, folks. I hope this gives you some good ideas. Keep your Hondas going forever. And what the bonus is, if this works fine, which I'll update in a little bit, if this works fine, I have an excellent parts machine. I've got tracks. I've got excellent augers. I got an excellent bucket. You know, I can save this machine. You know, maybe I can repair it. Maybe I can repair the shifter so it will shift. I've tried everything to get it to shift. You know, penetrating oil and everything. It's locked up for some reason. I just don't have the time. But the worst case scenario is that I've got an excellent parts machine with hundreds and hundreds of dollars of parts. I mean, a lot of these parts are no longer available for the old 55. You can get on eBay, but they're very, very pricey. So, excuse me, I'll get more 55s in. Excuse me again. I'll get more 55s in. Either I figure this out or I can tear it apart and cannibalize it for parts for people's machines or my future machines. And we'll let you know what happens with this guy here. All right, folks. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you think this video helps you with some ideas. And we'll see you next time.